Hi guys, my name's Yanri and
My name is Stefan.
we are on our way to have coffee
At Simo's Coffee Roastery. Very disappointing, they closed. How many coffee roasteries can you name in Pretoria? Aroma Coffee Roastery.
Simo's.
What about the one in Valeria? What's it called?
I don't know what the name is.
Where what's the place? Spout Coffee Roastery. Rhino Roastery. Big red truck. So we ended up going to Pierre Cafe to have our coffee. And we also had a nice piece of cheesecake and carrot cake. Sharing is caring. Pierre Cafe. Where are we going now?
To Royal Danish to buy ice cream.
We're visiting friends tonight for dinner, so we bring some dessert. Really nice ice cream.